So I had to make me a homemade compass out of a stick pin and a piece of foam by putting the stick pin on a neodymium magnet out of a hard drive. I got an old pack of stick pins right here because I think the oil in my compass is drying out. It's just not working right. But I had to align that to true north. So I made this compass, and if you don't have a magnet, if you've got really dry hair, you can just rub the stick pin through your hair and create a static electricity on it. You can do the same with a leaf too, but anyway, the head of the stick pin seems to have decided to become north, and the stick part of the pin has become south. So when I drop that in there, I noticed a phenomenon about, I don't know what the hell this is called, but I drop it in the water, and it's just kind of moving around on its own. But if it gets close to the sides, it'll get drawn into the sides. It'll start speeding up. It's really weird. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Drop it right here. And it's coming toward the side. It's traveling on its own. It's speeding up, boom. What in the hell is going on? What is that? What is that called? Why do I care? I don't know. I just want to know what the heck it is. There's an ant. Drop it in, let it find north. But it gets sucked into the sides. What is going on with that? What is this? Drop it in. It gets sucked into the side. What is this phenomenon called? Drop it in. Why did it speed up and go to the walls? If I gently grab it, it will eventually migrate to one of the sides. And it's moving right now. It's headed toward me. Watch it create its own energy wave to speed up and head toward the wall. And there it goes. I can almost understand why it turns. You know, I get that. It has to turn because it has to square up because of the magnetic field on this. But is the magnetic field moving this? Like toward a wall? I know there is a wave form. Why does it get drawn to the side? If we sit here and watch this thing long enough, it'll decide which wall it wants to go to. You remember, I've got it in a container, and water self-levels. Why is it speeding up and going south? This is science they forgot to teach me. I think I know who would have the answer, though. My boys love weird science like this. I bet they both already know all about this. Dad, that's such old news. Oh my God, I can't believe you don't know this. Alright, it changed direction. I am in a building. There is electromagnetic interference here with fluorescent lights. I think I'm going to let it finish this cycle out and see what happens to it. Because it's headed that way. I want to see if it speeds up and when it lands on that wall. Right now it's pointed north, which is that way. That way. It's ever so slowly. Okay, so now it's speeding up. There it goes. Why? What is this? See ya. Bye.